Hello, I'm Lime Sansitolete, and today I will be presenting the gray wolf or timber wolves. I will also present the different aspects concerning the gray wolf. Physical description. Compared to its closest wild cousins, the coyote and golden jackal, the gray wolf is larger and heavier, with a broader snout, shorter ears, a shorter torso, and a longer tail. It is a slender, powerfully built animal with a large, deeply descending ribcage, a slapping back, and heavily muscled neck. Taxonomy. The species Canis lapus was first recorded by Carl Linnaeus in his publication Systema Naturae, with the Latin classification translate, translating into the English words dog wolf. Diet. Globally, gray wolf diet is predominantly composed of large and medium-sized ungulates and small-sized animals. They can also supplement their diet by consuming vegetables. Habitat. The gray wolf is a habitat generalist and can occur in deserts, graylands, forests, and Arctic tundras. Habitat used by gray wolves is strongly correlated with the abundance of prey, snow conditions, absence or low livestock densities, road densities, human presence, and topography. Gray wolves typically dominate other canid species in areas where they both occur. In North America, incidents of gray wolves killing coyote are common, particularly in winter. When coyotes feed on wolf kills, wolves may attack coyote den sites, digging out and killing their pups. Next is the characteristics that made them a perfect apex predator, that divided into factors: social, territorial behaviors, and hunting skills. Social territorial behaviors is divided in three factors: scent marking, direct attacks, and howling. Scent marking. Scent marking is used for territorial advertisement and involves urination, defecation, and ground scratching. Scent marks are generally left throughout the territory on regular travelways and junctions. Such markers can last for 2 to 3 weeks and are typically placed near rocks, boulders, trees, or the skeletons of large animals. Second, direct attacks. Another social territorial behavior of wolves is to attack an intruder in order to protect its territory. Howling. Gray wolves howl to assemble the pack, usually before and after hunts, to pass on an alarm, particularly at a den site, to locate each other during a storm or an unfamiliar territory, and to communicate across great distances. Whoops can, under certain conditions, be heard over areas of up to 130 kilometers. Hunting skills. Abi- Hunting skills is divided into five categories: ability to locate, wolf stalking, attacking smart, runners, and tactical mind. Ability to locate. The wolves travel in search of prey through their power of scent, chance encounter, and tracking. Wolves typically locate their prey by scent, though they must usually be directly downwind of it. When a breeze carrying the prey scent is located, the wolves stand alert and point their ears, eyes, and nose towards their target. In open areas, wolves may precede the hunt with group ceremonies involving standing nose to nose and wagging their tails. Stalking. The wolves attempt to conceal themselves as they approach. As the gap between the wolves and their prey closes, the wolves quicken their pace, wag their tails, and peer intently, getting as close to their quarry as possible, without making it flee. Attacking smart. There are certain areas of an organism that can lead to their death. One example is the peritoneal area, the area which is the between anus and the genitals of an organism. Another area is the neck, which contains the carotid artery. If this area is being attacked, The tendency is of massive blood loss that can result in death. Runners. Once the prey detects the wolves, it can either approach the wolves, stand its ground, or flee. Large prey such as moose, elk, and mosquitoes usually stand their ground. Should this occur, the wolves hold back as they require the stimulus of a running animal. To proceed with an attack, if the target animal stands its ground, the wolves will either ignore it or try to intimidate into running. Tactical mind. The, the wolves the wolves' tactician mind can be demonstrated in this picture. They isolated a large mammal and isolate it into a disadvantage, typically 6-to-1 ratio. Interaction to humans. In history, wolves are been been hunted by humans, especially in Russia. They use it in their dresses, their jackets, and foods, resulting in their decline in numbers. Ecological importance. Wolves typically is in the top of the food chain, and um, they eat herbivores that increase vegetation in an area. In conclusion, wolves is very important, especially in different areas of the world, and are the key of the food chain.